If you want to learn how to trade just like me, join the community, click the private Discord link, sign up through this membership level, and you will gain access to weekly group mentorship calls for free. What's up YouTube, it's Louis Crypto here, back with another Trias update. Thank you so much for the continued support. Make sure you keep on supporting the channel, liking, subscribing, commenting, and sharing these updates. It's really appreciated. Now, over the last few days, we were anticipating continuation. If you remember from the video from yesterday, we were saying as the 1618 had held as support, we're expecting continuation to the 786 eventually. We saw that in the process of flipping this 1618 into support, we're heading to the 2414 as the target, the final target out of these sets of fibs. But during that process of getting to $12.54, we're actually breaking through a different set of fibs. We can see that by breaking through the 0.65 Fibonacci at $8.68, we'll start the next move up to $14. Make sure you're following me on Twitter. The links are in the description of this video, but if you want to type in, it's Louis_crypto. There are fake accounts, so I do have a blue tick, and of course I would suggest using the links down below as well. So we made updates over there yesterday suggesting that now that Trias had of course hit $9.50, it was breaking through the golden pocket, and then we were suggesting that it would hit $14 in that Twitter post, but also in yesterday's update. Now that we've been given that daily candle close above the golden pocket, we know that we're looking to continue until this price point, unless we go ahead and invalidate that. And so to go ahead and invalidate this price target of $14, we need to go ahead and lose the 1618 key level of support right now. The next level would be the 1272. And to be honest, guys, as long as we are maintaining above $5.87, we should eventually get to that target anyways. So I know we would be losing the golden pocket, but as you can see, very close to the 1272, we have the 55 moving average. If we did ever dump, we can see that it would take some time and this would drag up and be in line with the 1272. Essentially, as I mentioned in yesterday's update, this 1272 to the 1618, as you're approaching it for the very first time on this break of the 1 fib level here, it is resistance. So we want to see a rejection, which we saw, a breakthrough, and confirming it as support, and we did that in those 3 candles over there, you can see by those wicks. And so once the 1272 is support, we head to the next level of resistance, the 1618. This is a huge area of resistance, so if we ever break through and flip it into support, as we have done, we're now just looking to continue to hold this, and we will meet all targets to the upside. So by holding above $5.87 to $7.38, we will get that continuation. Now, those levels I just mentioned are the Fibonacci levels. However, when we came down for support, we can see the bodies did actually respect those levels. However, we created some wicks showing the lows of those candles. So really and truly, we need to go ahead and lose this area over here, and then we would start a dump to the 1272. So as long as we are above that wick, $6.86, we're just going to see continuation. So even if we are rejecting, we do close the daily candle below $9.50 after meeting our $10 psychological level as a target. We're just now reversing, just due to it being such a big thing, $10. This is the first time Trias is hitting double digits since its bull market. So yeah, it's a very big thing. So it's understandable to at least get a rejection in the short term. And I've already shown you those 2 key levels that we want to hold if we pull back to for the continuation, eventually higher, so we can go ahead and meet that $14 target, which we've already set an alert for, just ready for when we actually do hit. It will send a nice alert to my phone, so I can make a Twitter update for you guys about that. So why am I saying $10 is a target? Because if we're going from this high to this low over here, the most recent local pullback into a back, just confirming that 1618 into support, we are given targets to the upside. Now we can see we are currently, after tapping the 2 fib, actually looking like it's going to close beneath that $9.52/$9.65 area, because this is the 2 fib. We failed to meet that one, but equally, as we've met the first set of the 1 fib levels, we just need the 1272 to hold, and then we'll continue to that, which is a suggestion that we're on our way to $14, as very close to that 2414 fib is the $12 target and the 14. So this shorter term Fibonacci with the targets to the upside is just pretty much confirming that we will get that continuation higher. because again guys, now that we've approached the 1272 1618 area and actually pushed through it, we need to see it confirmed as support. Again, we're now trapped between these 2 points, support and resistance, between the 902 and 965 area. So we're pretty much range bound. But as we created this wick over here, I'm going to mark that out for you guys at $8.88. As long as we maintain that, we're going to get this continuation right now. So we don't even need to dump below this point. And what's quite funny is that this level of support that we have found is above the golden pocket. So that's exactly what we need to see. We need to find support above this point to continue to this target. And everything that we've mentioned in today's update, as long as all those key levels are being held, then we will see that continuation. And we've just used different Fibonacci's to get to that bias essentially. So that's it from me today. Make sure on the way out you like, subscribe, comment, share so we can hit 8K as quick as we can. We are under 400 subs away from that. So if you also want to get educated so you can learn to do this on your own, or if you want to do it hand in hand with myself, I have multiple things in place like an ebook and a course which you can do in your own time. The course does actually include 2 months free in my Discord community, and if you're getting 2 months free in there, every week we do 2 1-hour group calls where I mentorship you guys, and so there will be up to 8 group calls for you totally for free if you take action on the course. If you want to take action just on the Discord community, it is £20 a month. Just head to the website, the links are down below, and set that up. You'll gain access to my investment portfolio on top of those sessions, and all my students share their own ideas as well, trade ideas or investment ideas. Now I do have a mentorship plan which includes 2 months free in the chat, but also my course. So if you want more information about all of those, taking action, use the links down below, and also my course is discounted until the end of this year. Cheers. I've got a whole bunch of educational content, and over here on the website you can see loads of other people taking action recently. If you want to get educated, simply scroll underneath the video, click take action or Linktree, and click the option that you want to read more about, or private message me on Twitter. Let's start off with the ebook. This is where you can take action on my ebook, teaches the exact strategy. Head over to the membership level if you want to become a Discord channel member, where you have access to 2 weekly group mentorship calls, or if you want to take action on my 6-hour long pre-recorded course, there's an offer here, and you do get Discord chat for 2 months totally free. Here is my beginner one-to-one mentorship plan, which includes 3 hours of my one-to-one help, the course, and 2 months free in the chat. And there are some other plans here for 5 or 10 hours of my one-to-one help. Use the links down below to private message me on Twitter, or head straight to the website using one of these links to take action. Cheers.